Hi everyone. In this project we will make a shader graph where plant leaves are affected by the wind and all effects can be controlled. We will import and paste the wind effect that affects the palm tree in our previous lesson into our project. As you can see, the leaves are affected by the wind. We will try to ensure that the lower parts of the plant are not affected by the wind like leaves. If you are ready, let's start. Here we go. First of all, we can create an Unity project files and select universal render pipeline. And project name is maybe leaf wind. Yes, maybe leaf wind. And I am using, as you know, this Unity version. You can also use higher version Unity and press create button. Yes, our project is opened, and as you can see, I created potted plant folder and download these files. What is these files? Download in TurboScript website, and if you write this search area plant, you can find free this object file. You can use object extension files, and also you can download from texture.com this file soy cracked 0115. And as you see, in texture folder I downloaded this texture and this potted plant folder, these maps and texture. However, when downloading this object file, you should remember to download the texture folder named map. Texture folder is imported for our project, and you can see this texture, yes, this way, and I can delete this all of, and I can create 3D object plane. Yes, I can increase. Yes, nice. And also I can create a material ground material, and in texture folder I can assign, okay, and again potted plant, this assign this plane, and we can window menu rendering, lighting and environment, and cancel this fog feature for our project, and we can align the our scene for main camera, yes, and select and control shift F, and you can see plant object files. You can drag our scene to our scene, and we can reduce size just a bit again. We need this pot, we can delete it, yes, and right click this file and unpack, and you can see this is, we can delete it, and we can move, and we can delete it again. This is our plant, and yes, and again just a bit increase size, yes, yes, I think enough for now, okay, and we can change render for this material. As you see, we can add universal render pipeline nature, maybe this one. Yes, as you see this material. Yes, okay, okay. This material and texture is palm leaf. This texture, and in material folder create shader and PBR graph and leaf wind shader. Yes, leaf wind shader, and open it. I can drag to material at first. Sorry, I can align this camera. Yes. Yes, it's enough. Maybe this ground size this way. Yes. And in potted plant and drag to this texture, and we can link this albedo channel and this material change shader graph and leaf wind shader, leaf wind shader, and save. Okay. Yes, as you see, our plant is ready for our shader effect. Yes, it's perfect, as you see. At first, open shader, and at first we need time node for animation, and power node. Link this A, and we can add vector 1 and leaf wind speed, and maybe 0.8, and drag and link. Yes, and then we can add tiling and offset to offset link. Yes, we can control this smoothness. Yeah, enough. Yes, and add gradient noise, and again vector 1, leaf wind scale. Yes, leaf wind scale maybe, and default value is 5, and drag and link and link. Yes, As you see, animation has started. And finally, add multiply and link this one and vector one again, and maybe name is maybe leaf, wind, maybe amount. Yes, and default value wind, leaf, wind, swing. Yes, it's enough, I think. Default value 5, and drag and link, and finally I can link vertex position channel and save, and we can check in. Yes, as you know, it's a problem because we need position node. We need position node. So add position and object and add node. Delete this link and link this one and link this one and link vertex position channel. Yes, and save and check or plant. Yeah, as you see, you can see wind effect, and also same time you can see this control. It's good, perfect, as you see. Good, very nice. But I can two-sided maybe. Yes, save. Yes, it's better. Nice result. And I can increase scale and this value, and maybe this can control in game mode. It's too much, as you see. Speed maybe 4 or 5 in game mode, maybe 55. Yes, maybe 0.6, and you can increase this value also. Yes, yeah, as you see, you can feel wind effect on our plant. Maybe this, maybe 7. Yes, but if you check our plant for this area, I don't want wave effect for this area. I don't want the lower parts of the plant close to the roots to be affected by the wind. So go back to shader graph again and add UV node at first and add split node, link here, so we can preview. We can close this and link and add power node, and this axis, and remap node, and link, and multiply, but we can link, we can control this value, so maybe, yeah, this one, and maybe this, and or you can control, yes, maybe, and yes, enough, I think. And again multiply node, and we can delete first, and we can add, yes, okay, we can link this here, and we can link to here, and we can delete this, and we can link this, add node, okay, and I can add position again, yes, this way, okay, and save, and object, and we can control again, yes, but it's not enough, it's good, but it's not enough, and we can maybe 5, maybe 4, and maybe this 7 again, 5 again, yes, you can see wind effect is starting, yes, it's enough, maybe 4, maybe 9, and 7, maybe, yes, as you see, but it's too much, you know, maybe 6, yes, and this area not, yes, perfect, I think it's good, yes, perfect, as you see, wind effect is working, and this area not swinging, you know, you can see, yes, it's good, it's perfect, and as you can see, I imported palm wind shader graph from previously lesson. As you remember, palm tree wind effect, and open this shader graph, and we can delete this one, we can delete this link, and we can control C and control V, yes, and we can okay, and we can delete this position at this time, and we can add this link, yes, and save and check our scene, yes, yes. Again, leave with shader and slider multiply, you know, and convert to property, and name is band speed maybe, and this convert to property, band direction, yes, and I think enough for now, yes, and save it and select object, and maybe 25, it's too much, too much again, 0.1, oh, too much again, 0.5, yes, I think enough, it's too much again, maybe 1, band maybe, yes, I think enough, it's good, maybe, yes, okay, and control it again, yes, as you see, band effect and wind effect for leaves, you can see it's good, it's perfect, yes, you can control all of these values, maybe 6, maybe 6.5, yes, it's good, perfect, yes, yes, maybe this way, this direction, yes, you can see wind effect and band effect, perfect, good, yes, see you in another videos.